so this video tutorial is designed to help you use the camera to take photos. Okay, so the Chromebook camera is pinned to our taskbar. If it's not, just right click or double tap and put it in your taskbar. Okay, it's just handy to have it happen there. Okay, and you'll notice that there's 3 modes to our camera. We got video, and in video we've got normal, GIF, and time lapse. We'll talk about those later. But in this particular one, we've also got photo and scan. Okay, scan we've already addressed. Photo, we're gonna take a photo of our project. Okay, in this particular case, the project is my mouse. Okay, so I want to take a picture of my mouse, and while it may seem a little difficult to do, I want to get a good photo of my mouse. Okay, so I think that might do it. And I'm going to go ahead and take my photo by clicking with my finger on the touch screen, the shutter button. Okay. At this point, what we need to do is to find the photo and attach it to our slides. So I'm going to go into my files, and if I look in my camera, I've got my picture of my mouse. Now, it's not a bad picture. It's not, there's a lot of extra stuff in here. We've got to shape and get rid of that here in a minute. Okay, but the first thing we need to do is we need to move our photo of our mouse to the drive. Okay, so there's 2 ways of doing it. One is to right click or to click and drag it in, and you can see that it kind of turns gray around the video tutorial. And the other way is to double click or right click and copy, and then open up the folder that we want to put it in. In this case, I want to put it into my drive, one video tutorial. So I'm going to right click again, I could click paste, and now I've got my photo in there. At this point, I can actually attach it to my slideshow. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up my Google Slides. And I'm going to click on Insert Image from Drive. And it should show all my images here. My most recent one is this here. We'll go ahead and insert that. And I want to crop this out because there's all this extra stuff in here. Here's a picture of my backpack, a tub. I got just a bunch of junk in there. So I'm going to double click this, and you can see that it changes to these little black handles. And these black handles will allow us to manipulate the image such that only the mouse is visible and highlighted. Okay. I'm not going to be able to take care of all of the extra junk in there, but I can get rid of a lot of it. Okay. And then I click enter. And then voila, here is the picture of my mouse. So that's how to take a picture using your Chromebook camera, and to isolate just and crop just the item that you're taking a picture of for insert into any kind of presentation.